Boom! What up guys? So ayun, bale andito pala ako ngayon sa Bulacan, no. Pero alis tayo ngayon, pupunta tayo ng Caloocan. Luluwas tayo ngayon. May pupuntahan tayong tropang malupet ka. Saka may kami. Di wala kung anong mangyayari ngayon, pero pupuntahan ko siya ngayon ka. So kita-kits mamaya. Let's go! Boom! Andito na pala tayo guys. Dito na tayo sa monumento. Pero maglalakad lang ako. Nasasakay ng jeep para pumunta sa homie. Pupunta na ako sa Yok ha. Takis na lang mamaya. Boom! So ayun, munting kwento lang. Bali dito pala ako nag-high school guys. Sa Caloocan ay dito ako nag-high school tsaka senior high. Sa mga di lang nakakaalam. Way back 2017. Dito lahat. Dito daming wala lang.
Honey got a sexy on steaming. She give my hotness a new meaning. Perfection, mommy, you gleaming. Inception, you got a brother dreaming.
So ayun, lakad talaga to ni CJ ka. Sinabit lang ako. Sinama lang ako kumbaga. Di ko alam kung anong pupuntahan eh. Sabi niya sama lang daw ako. Sumama naman ako. Di ko alam kung saan pupunta ko, anong merong ganap dun eh. Pero let's go lang. Let's see ka, let's see. What up ka? Hey, what up ka?
Oh baby, I can't come down, so please come help me out. You got me feeling high and I can't step off the cloud. And I just can't get enough.
Boy, I think about it every night and day. I'm addicted, wanna jump inside.
So ayun, nandito na kami sa Taguig na to no. Taguig na. Taguig na ka. Kaso hassle guys kasi umuulan na. Kaya nakaganto ako, umuulan, mababasa. Pero okay lang, tuloy pa rin. Kita-kits mamaya.
I just can't get enough. I just can't get enough. Honey got me running like I'm Flojo. Signs a name on my heart with an XO. Love so sweet, got me vexed though. I wanna wish her right back like presto, yes. Meantime, I wait for the next time. She come around for a toast to the best time. We LOL back and forth on the text line. She got me fishing for a love, I confess
So ayun guys, andito na pala kami somewhere sa Taguig. Bali, event pala to ng bagong show sa Showbiz guys. Kasama ko pala si Washilay guys at may work siya dito. Kaya sinama na ako. Ando na pala si CJ sa loob, so hindi na ako sumama. Mag-ikot-ikot na lang ako, then kita-kita na lang tayo mamaya sa mismong event. So, let's go!
This is a business transaction. The moment mo kayo, you have to finish my job.
Verify target.
Confirming that.
Igor, papunta na kami sa exit point. Confirm if it's clear to proceed.
Go. Death is always a possibility. 3, 2, 1. Bagong kontrata. Name your price. Kailangan namin ng tulong.
Contractor,
JB, I have a job for you.
ano to, extraction, rescue. 2 million pesos, complete payment.
Palitulong.
Sino mga kasama ka?
You all have one thing in common. You were all discharged.
In violation of military only daughter of businessman Jake Mirai. According to intel, it leads to the notorious Escalera clan, led by the ruthless Timor Escalera.
Konektado siya sa maraming makapangyarihang tao sa buong mundo.
The mission is to extract Donato Escalera alive.
How long do we have?
24 hours. This is the start of your job order. We will be working incognito.
We move as a team, we finish as a team.
If you get caught, the CIA will deny any involvement in your operation.
Nandito tayo dahil meron tayong objective. Ang objective na yung kulmin ng target.
Magkaiba tayo.
Kaiba talaga tayo dahil ako ginagamit ko utak ko.
Ako kasi hindi lang utak ang ginagamit ko.
Alam ko, hindi madali ang misyon na to. Pero naniniwala ako sa inyong lahat.
Iisa ang gusto nyo pakinggan ba?
Magsilbi sa bayan.
Mahalaga para sa akin ang misyon na ito at magkaiba ang dahilan kung ba't tayo nandito.
Pero kung mahalaga sa ito, mahalaga rin sa akin to.
Sir JB, hindi ko na kaya. Kailangan ko umihi.
Ngayon pa talaga?
Siyempre, mukha ba akong may catheter ha?
What up guys? So ayun, kaya natapos na. Gara ng mga gara ng mga bouncer ang isang picture pinababa agad. Pero okay lang, may picture ako kay Lamaris tsaka kay Anthony Davis. Eto lalabas oh. Eto malupit, punta na kay DJ. Eto lalabas din oh. Pero goods lang ngayon, all goods na ka. Lumabas na kami. Ewan ko. So ayun lang guys, uwi na kami at sana nag-enjoy kayo. Joke lang guys, meron pa pala at ito ang mga sumunod na nangyari ng hindi namin inaasahan. Maris! What up ka? What up ka? What up ka? What up ka? Bye-bye. What up ka? What up ka? What up ka? What up ka? Let him cook. What up ka? What up ka? Thank you. Bro, nasa na sabaw?
Bakit kayo lahat may sabaw? Nasaan ang sabaw?
Kuya Baron. Warap ka? Isang warap naman ka. Warap ka? Warap ka? Warap ka? Warap dito. Warap ka? Warap ka? Warap ka? Warap ka?
Boom! What up guys? So, nandito na pala ako sa Kalumpit, no? Kabababa ko lang din. Tapos, ayun. Pantulog na to guys. Pagod na pagod ako. Pero worth it naman yung pagod. Ito yung pagod na masarap. Kasi worth it yung pagod ko. Tsaka sobrang saya. Achievement, sobrang thank you. Si Jake ho, thank you sa'yo tol. Hanggang dito na lang muna guys. Peace. Bye bye.
Honey got me running like I'm Flojo. Signs a name on my heart with an XO. Love so sweet, got me vexed though. I wanna wish her right back like presto, yes. Meantime, I wait for the next time. She come around for a toast to the best time. We LOL back and forth on the text line. She got me fishing for a love, I confess I'm something about a smile and a combo. Got me high and I ain't coming down, yo. My heart's pumping out louder than electro. She got me feeling like Mr. Roboto. Oh baby, I can't come down, so please come help me out. You got me feeling high and I can't step off the cloud, and I just can't get enough.
Boy, I think about it every night and day. I'm addicted, wanna jump inside your love. I wouldn't wanna have it any other way. I'm addicted and I just can't get enough.
This is Mega Switch Up. Switch up. Switch up.
I just can't
Switch up.
lie. Sunk in your bed, rock hot, up in your love shot, knock out by your cold shot. I'm stuck in your head.
Switch up.
Can't get out, I won't quit, making me feel. Give it to me, I want it all. Know what I mean? Your love is a dose of ecstasy.
Switch up.
Addicted, I can't get away from you. Afflicted, I need it, I miss it.
Switch up.
I want your loving right next to me, and I can't erase you out of my memory.